Sometimes the smallest thing carry the most power, and sometimes all it takes is one tiny mic to change the way you tell your story. Welcome back to Unbox Heaven, and this is the DJI Mic Mini. No flashy introduction, no loud color, just simplicity packed with performance. So let's try and open this. So it's fully packed and sealed, so I'm just gonna use a knife and remove all the seals. So let's open this and see. I am very excited to open this one. We got some documents, of course, to read the labels and instructions about this product, and this is the cute and mini pouch and our DJI Mini mic. So here is the tag and a cute little pouch and the cable, audio cable for the camera, and of course the mic itself. So luxury feeling, guys. Two tiny transmitters, one smart receiver, a magnetic charging case that feels more like art than a tech. So when you guys take everything out of the box, it automatically connects to the receiver. These are the transmitter, magnetic transmitter, and I'm gonna show you the magnetic. It's so strong, guys. So this is the receiver. That's how it looks like, and we also got the mobile phone connector, and it is type C connector. I'm gonna connect it to my mobile. Very easy, no apps, just plug it in. It pairs itself, it just works, and that's how you connect it to your mobile phone, and it's already connected with the mobile phone. So let's make a video with now DJI Mic Mini. So I am using with my phone, and I'm gonna make a video and I will show you the quality for this audio. DJI Mic Mini. So I am using with my phone, and I'm gonna make a video and I will show you the quality for this audio. So this is a video test without using the DJI Mic Mini. So I am making a video without using DJI mic. Now let's see the results. So this is a video test without using the DJI Mic Mini. So I am making a video without using DJI mic. You guys see the results when I was using this product, and it cancelled all the background noise and everything. The voice was very crisp. You don't need to download the app, just lift enough to forget you wear it and clear enough to capture your thoughts before they fade away. So I am really liking this product, and did you hear the sound? It's just not the clear, it's not professional, it sounds like you, unfiltered, natural, and exactly how your story should be told. Okay guys, so now I already connected the cable with my camera, and you can see the difference for my voice before and now. It's just so crisp, so clear and unfiltered, just like my original voice and I was using. So these are the wind filters. We got 4 of them, so you can use this when you are in the wind and very loud voices. I'm just gonna show you how you can plug this on and how they're gonna work after plugging them. It's just a simple click, and then you can use this clip like this and put it on your shirt. Very easy, very simple, and very handy. And simple. When you're done, it tucks everything away itself in this small pouch, small case. The charging left for like it's 48 hours, and it's ready for the next idea or maybe next conversation. Very easy, very handy, and you can even put it in your pocket, in your like small pouch, in your handbag, or anywhere you want, because it's very small, compact, and easy to carry. It's not just a mic, it's a tiny piece of creative freedom, and now it's in your pocket. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.